Okay, students, open your grammar textbook. Lesson number 11, A and the, on page number 29. You all have already seen in the video that where we use a, and the. Again, I am explaining you that we use a before a singular noun and the word start with a consonant sound. Right? In alphabet A to Z, the word which start with consonant sound. Okay, before that one singular noun we put a. Then an. So, an will also use for a singular noun, but we put an before the word start with a vowel sound. You all know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Right? So, if the word start with A, E, I, O, U letter or sound, then we put an before that. And you have already seen that where we use the. Right? If we talk about one thing again, then to point out the same thing again in that sentence, we put the before it and we put the thing which are only one on the earth. Right? At that time also we put the before that. So here in this lesson we will do different exercises to understand the use of the. We say a chair, a cup, a horse, a boat, an elephant, an ass, an egg, an umbrella, an ice cream, an eye, an axe, an uncle. Right? Put a or an before these words. Here we have to now put a or an before these words. So mango, a mango. Apple, an apple, because a is there. Here m is there. So this is a consonant. A is a vowel. So an. A pizza, because p consonant. Onion. Again onion, o is vowel. So we will write n. Tomato, T is consonant, so a tomato. H consonant, a house. Shop, S consonant, a shop. And igloo, I vowel, so an igloo. Okay? A parrot, an owl. An aeroplane. See here O is vowel, A is vowel. Crow, consonant, so a crow. Do you understand? A fly, F is consonant. An ant, ant is again A is vowel, so an ant. Blank car, a car, C is consonant. And an artist, N is a vowel. So in this way we can put a or an. Now look at these sentences. First, Papa gave me a doll. The doll says hello when I touch it. Okay, Papa gave a doll. Here we put a before doll. But now the girl which Papa has given speak hello. So we are talking about the same doll. So over here before the doll we will write the. Gopal has an ox. He uses the ox to plow his field. Now here Gopal uses the same ox which he has. So we have kept here the word the. I have a computer. I play many games on the computer. Here we are talking about the same computer. So the earth is round, only one on the earth. The moon is shining brightly in the sky. Only one in the universe. The moon is shining brightly in the sky. Before the sky also we use the, and moon also the, earth also the. Now see. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Ganga is an important river. Okay, so the famous monument, before that also we kept the, right, the Ganga. Before the name of river we kept the. See, we say the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi, the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, right? These are also our holy books. So we keep the before all these words. Okay, now fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Now here we have to fill in this blank. Reena, see, Reena sat on a bench. B is consonant. Blank bench was broken. Reena fell down. Now which bench was broken? On which Reena sits. So the same bench. So here we will write the T capital because we start a new sentence, right? Karan ate an orange, right? Now we are talking about the same orange. The orange was sour. Karan has what? A sore throat. Okay. Blank car stopped in front of our gate. A car stopped in front of our gate. A young girl came out of the car. Right? Here we have written a. Before car we kept again here in second sentence the, because we are talking about the same car which stopped in front of the gate. The sun is behind the clouds. Okay. Blank Qutub Minar is very tall, right? So the Qutub Minar is very tall. Bible again. What you will keep here? The Bible is a holy book. Okay. So in this way you have to complete the exercise D. Okay, now exercise E. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Right? Blank S was tied to blank tree with blank rope. So here what we will write? An S. S is start with the word A. Right? So an S was tied to a tree with a rope. He broke, now we are talking about the same rope. He broke the rope and started walking. After some time, he met a rat. Okay, because we have not talked about rat first time. So a rat. Now again, we are talking about the same rat. So the rat picked blank rope, same rope, picked the rope and began to walk in front of the S. Okay, so this is our first paragraph. Okay, now second. Rohan went to a shop. S is consonant. He asked for a pen, P consonant, eraser, N eraser, E vowel, and a sharpener. He gave blank shopkeeper. What he gave to shopkeeper? He gave a shopkeeper, right? What he has given? A 10 rupee note, right? A 10 rupee note. Here, see here, write down the, right? Because particular shopkeeper where he went. So he gave the shopkeeper a 10 rupee note. The shopkeeper gave him back 2 rupees. Now third. There was a basket on the table. It was full of apples. Dimpy took an apple from the basket. She ate the apple. The apple, here we are talking about the same apple. The apple was sweet and juicy. She was very happy. Okay, so here we have fill up all these blanks with a, an or the. So I hope I have cleared your concept of article. These all three words, as you know, words are known as articles. Okay, and it is very important in our English language.